Hello and welcome back. Today we are drawing a rabbit. R for rabbit. Let's start. We'll start with an oval shape. Be very slow. Connect the curves. Continue until it is complete. And join it. Now let's draw ears. Bunnies have long ears. So one and a second one. Now let's draw eyes. A big circle, a small circle inside. Fill it up. Same on the other side. Now a small. Fill it up. Now we'll draw nose, a sleepy line, and a slight V below it. And here's our nose. Now let's draw two U shapes for mouth. One, two. Now rabbits have big teeth. Let's draw them. Two slant lines joined by a sleepy line. And then a standing line. Here are your teeth. Two small whiskers on each side. Eyebrows. One, two. Now two more curves inside our ears. Here's one. Same on the other side. Done. This is your rabbit. Now how do we draw the letter R? We start with a standing line. Then we draw a curve similar to P. And then from here, a slant line. This is the letter R. R for rabbit. Excellent work. See you in the next one.